Namaste, welcome to Hamsa Yoga. So today video is very interesting video. So today you are going to learn a stretch for open up your upper body. So upper body opening is a very important task. For some people the upper body flexibility may get very easily. For some people it may be hard. So just keep on practicing regularly to gain your flexibility in your body. Upper body flexibility means to open up your chest, shoulder and the upper back totally. So simple stretch that will going to help you a lot for a beginners. Let's begin today's topic. Before moving to the video, if you're not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and click a bell icon. Then you're not going to miss any video from our channel. Let's begin. Make sure before moving to the stretches, so just make your body nicely warm. So then you are not going to get any kind of catches or a hair lock. Now slowly from seated posture, come to the tables. Now slowly make sure your wrist and the shoulder in a straight line, your knee and the hip should be in straight line. Let us do a nice cow and cat stretch. Now slowly taking a deep breath in, now slowly head up and press your abdomen down, head up, inhale. Exhale, slowly round your back and head down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Just keep on doing this. Just notice a nice stretch on your back and on your chest as well. Just make yourself, focus yourself how you're taking the inhalation and the exhalation. Now slowly exhale down. Last one more. Inhale up and stay there. 5. Open up your chest. Hold the pose comfortably. 4. 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly round your back and stay there. Just push your shoulder up. Just look at your navel. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly up and relax in Sirasasana. Very good. Now slowly come up. Now let us move to the second stretch. Just sit on any comfortable posture. So I am sitting on Vajrasana. So the Vajrasana may be hard for some people. It may be easy for some people. That's fine. If you want, you can sit in Sukhasana also as well. A cross leg pose. Now slowly in this pose, just place your palms on the knee. Okay, elbow straight. You should raise your chest by pushing your chest forward, head up like this. Inhale. Roll your shoulder back and raise up your head up. Now slowly down and round your back and head down. Just push your chest as much as possible. So here the chest upper body movement should be happen, not arching your abdomen forward. Just raise your chest more front and relax your neck back. So just roll your shoulder, head relax back. Slowly exhale down. Can slowly continue 2 more times. So if you want, you can also just with the support of your palms pressing up, you can stretch as well. Slowly exhale down. Come on, one more. Inhale. Exhale down. Now slowly up and relax. So make sure you should breathe normal and easily. Just push your body as much as possible. Yes, let us move to the next stretch. For next stretch, you needed a brick. So now slowly raise your hands up like this. Hold the bricks tightly. Now slowly with inhaling, just raise your chest, press your hands back. And slowly down. One more, slowly up. So if you felt hard to straighten up your elbows, you can also use the straps as well. So make sure your elbows should be straight always. So when your elbows are straight, this part of your body will get flexible. So when you bend your elbows, they will be used a very little use. Okay, let us do one more time. Now slowly raise up and slowly raise your chest. Press your hands back as much as possible. Breathe normal. Slowly down. Come on, raise up. Inhale. Exhale down. Last one more. So we are going to hold for a few more seconds. Can slowly inhale up. Raise your chest, elbow straight. Press your hands back. Stay comfortably. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now slowly down. Very good. Rest in Shashankasana. Bend down slowly. Now slowly up. Very good. So after doing any kind of back stretches, so try to make sure you should do a front bending also. Very important, because of back part of the body also should get a stretch. So when we do a back bending asanas or back bending stretch, so front part of the body will be stretched up nicely. So back part of the body should be stretched up, right? So back part of the body should also stretch it up, right? So you should do a front bending after doing a back bending also. Let us move to the next stretch. Now let's do a puppy stretch. Now slowly from the table, walk your knee one step back, walk your palms one step forward. Now slowly try to press your chest down to the mat like this. So if possible, try to touch your chest to the mat. So don't make your knee wider, knees together. Just be in the pose comfortably. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly same way come up. Very good. And relax. Let us do a same stretch with the help of the bricks. So make sure place your palms on the brick like this. Okay. Now slowly same way, placing the palm on the brick and slowly try to push your chest down. So make sure your abdomen should touch the thigh, your knee and the hip should be in one straight line. Now slowly move down as much as possible, elbow straight and stay there. 5, 4, 3, if possible, try to touch the chin as well. 2, and 1. Now slowly up and relax. Very good. So by using the bricks, so there will be a more stretch to your shoulder and as well as upper chest also. Yes. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, click a like button, share this video with your friends and family. Keep on practicing. One day of practice, it won't give you anything. Just keep on practicing yourself daily. So this video is especially for beginners. So if you like this video, hit the like button, share with the people who you love the more. Let everyone be happy. Let everyone be healthy. See you on next video. Till then, take care and namaste.